Hey guys, it's Stun Gopher here. I thought I'd share you guys with my bud parrot. As you can see in the background, my little fishy. I got this probably just before winter, so back in August or September. Pretty much he's a little cutie. Gotta love him. He's really special. Why is he special? It's because, as you can see, he likes to be able to follow your finger. And right now looks like he's a little grumpy with me. You know, or he's trying to kiss my finger, one or other, whichever way, but he's certainly cute in a lot of aspects. Why? Because you can't find too many fishes that actually will follow your finger like this. We named him Yoshi, and he's in a 50-gallon tank here, all by himself. They can be a little bit aggressive against smaller fishes, try to eat them. As you can notice on his face, he always has like a smile, it looks like, going on there. He can't close his lips. They're a hybrid fish between like an actual tropical fish in saltwater to a freshwater fish, hybrid style. And he's just in your normal freshwater type of fish. So I don't know if he could live in a Canadian lake or anything like that, but he can pretty much live inside aquariums. I think they were more built for aquariums than anything. And very smart fish. As you can see, he's probably hungry. Yeah, oh look at him, he wants it. Yeah, you want it? Okay. As you notice, all the rocks are misplaced everywhere. You can notice that he likes to decorate his own atmosphere. All the rocks are scattered up against the glass, and he loves that back corner as to be his house. He's put all the plants kind of in the back corner there, so then he can have his little hiding home area. And so you notice down further, he'll clear out the stones at the bottom. He actually likes looking through the bottom even and staring, so he gets to be able to see all corners outside this aquarium. Very friendly fish. Out of most fish that I notice, any fish out there, he's fairly friendly. He loves to be able to play, pretty much catch with your finger anytime you want. And well, it looks like he's always smiling, but that's just the way his face is shaped. But I have to recommend, if you want to get a fish out there, this is one type of fish you'd want to get. Not too much work to build, look after, other than the normal fish care. And no, awesome to have out of a collection of fish. Looks like he enjoys being on camera even. As you can tell, he's purposely playing with the camera, staring at it. Very watchful. I have to admit, it's a very smart fish out of a lot of other fish that I have. I have some koi. I'll show you guys a video of my koi fish.